Hello everyone and welcome again in our new video. In today's video we are again going to learn some really awesome tips and tricks and tutorials on how to make stuff and draw them. Starting off, we can learn and see from the video how to make this awesome looking parachute which looks really cute and beautiful. Moving forward, we will learn how to make this awesome one by some pieces of paper. We will first pieces of paper which are cut in small triangular shapes, and then we'll make it a pineapple. Moving forward to the next one, we will learn how to make this easy drawing, and then we will add some 3-dimensional or 3D stuff to make it look like a 3D structure. We will follow the steps to make it. Moving forward, in the next one, we will learn how to make this sunflower. Moving ahead to the next one, we will paint our hand by some particular color, and then we will paste it onto a paper and then convert it into a beautiful fish which looks really awesome in the water, and then we will draw some water bubbles. Moving forward to the next one, which we are using some bubble wrap to make a parachute once more. We will learn how to make this, and then we will convert it totally to a final stage. Moving forward to the next one, we will learn how to draw this awesome drawing in which we are using a marker to make a really beautiful and scary looking castle on a hill. We will make the castle's body and then the windows and the hill, and then for a more creepy look we will add some trees and some grasses, and then after drawing it we will color it with different colors as shown in the video, and then we will make a big moon to make it look like a scary night, and then we will finish it by adding some clowns in the background. Moving forward, we will learn how to make this awesome bug which is an insect. We will make this in a really easy manner, and then moving forward we will draw a drawing of some plants and place the bugs as followed by making their wings, which looks really beautiful and cute and colorful too, and then we will complete it by placing some googly eyes and completing it by giving a final look from the marker as shown in the video. Moving forward to the next one, we will again cut some pieces of paper in circular shape, and then we will fold it into half making a semicircle, and then as shown in the video we will cut some papers in a triangular shape and will paste it to the semicircles, and then we will make some eyes and then paste it on a paper and complete it by making some eyes, the lips, and making it some plants which looks really cool. As you can see, then we'll make some grass on the ground to make it look like a garden and add some clouds in the background to finish it. Thank you for watching the video.